Meaning of reproductive health. We have already discussed yesterday a small summarized portion of the reproductive health. What is the meaning of health? What is the um, according to WHO, what is the health and what is the precaution during the health taken uh, in the disease case, reproductive health case? What is the meaning of sanitizer? What is the meaning of proper hygiene condition? We already discussed in the summarized form in summarized form yesterday. Today we will discuss this chapter in detail. Reproductive health. Any person is healthy or not? How you know about that? If any person is healthy or not, how you define it and how you deduct it? In general sense, we call in
Mentally,
general.
socially, and physically.
Yes. Very good, beta. Define according to WHO. We define that the person is healthy when he is or she is physically, mentally, socially, behaviorally well-being. Yani all four types से well react कर रहा है. That person is known as the uh, healthy person. Is it clear? But according to our view, we think that the when any individual is the disease free, we call that person is okay, or that person is healthy. If he is or she is disease free, we say that that person is okay and he is healthy person or she is healthy person. But actually, it is not true. But actually, it is not true because 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 in some cases people are suffer from the tension, because in some cases people are suffer from the tension, stress, etc., which is also affect our mental health, which is also affect our mental health. That's why we are not saying that type of people he or she is healthy. Is it clear? He or she is healthy. According to WHO, it is a state of physical, mental, that is a scientific definition of healthy person. According to WHO, it is a state of physically, mentally, behaviorally, and socially well-being in which the person is healthy. According to WHO, proper hygiene condition and proper sanitation method, proper healthcare method, these are the factors which affect the our health. Is it clear? How we aware the people how we aware the people for sanitation, proper health related issues, hygiene condition, and sex related issue, and reproductive health, etc. How you aware the people about proper sanitation, health issues, sex related issues, and women related issues, child related issues, and hygiene related issues? How we aware the people to these type of we aware the people these type of awareness with the help of audio visual aids plus newspapers, awareness programs, awareness plays, etc. In village we can perform a different type of plays which is based on the health, reproductive health, sanitation, proper hygiene condition. That are the method which help in awareness in this case of people. Is it clear? To maintain our Indian population, our government taken a very important step in 1951. Government taken a very important step in 1951, one step run, which known one type of planning. I had already told you yesterday about this. This is the one type of planning that is known as the family planning. That is known as the family planning. It is very important initiative which is taken by the Indian government. That is very important initiative which is taken by the Indian government by 1951. Is it clear? Which is taken by the Indian government 1951. Here NEET question is arise. Which program is started in the 1951 by the Indian government? That is the family planning program, which is started by the Indian government 1951. Is it clear, everybody? After some time, we called we again, some changes are occur in this planning, and we again start a new program that is known as the RCH. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आरसीएच फुल फॉर्म सीबीएसई में क्वेश्चन में 1 मार्क्स में आपसे पुट ऑन होती है आरसीएच. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ आरसीएच? रिप्रोडक्टिव एंड चाइल्ड हेल्थ केयर. दैट इज अनदर टाइप ऑफ प्रोग्राम which is related to reproductive and child health care. Male and female reproductive system and the child health care means after the delivery, child rearing and caring, and in during the pregnancy, fetus rearing and caring. Is it clear? Basic step taken by the Indian government. It is again a basic step taken by the Indian government. That is the program run by the Indian government to aware people. This program is run by the people to run by the government to aware people regarding to health, sex related issues, and and menstruation cycle and people's wrong myths to remove, and the wrong beliefs related to the sexual issues. Uh, these type these type of myth and the beliefs are wrong beliefs are removed by the people through the awareness program. Some people are think about the wrong and related to myth thinking, related to sex related disease and during the health reproductive system, reproductive health. So to remove this type of myth and beliefs, government run a lot of program to aware the people for reproductive health and child care and uh, menstruation cycle. Is it clear? And also creating a healthy and proper reproductive life maintenance. And government runs a lot of program and awareness program to create a healthy and proper reproductive life maintained by the peoples. What is the aim of the RCH? I had already told yesterday. That is the creating awareness among the individual. First aim is the RCH is the creating awareness among the individual. Second is maintaining reproductive healthy society. Reproductively healthy society मतलब रिप्रोडक्शन सिस्टम भी सबका हेल्दी हो, उसके अकॉर्डिंग रिप्रोडक्शन से रिलेटेड awareness plus sex related diseases. STD, sex related diseases is also pronounced as STD. Awareness program run kiye gaye. People are fearing about to discuss sex related diseases. That's why awareness is necessary for the people to how handle this type of problem and to discuss the doctors available in the hospital. So too many programs are run by the government for this purpose. Is it clear? Now question arise here, how can we educate and aware among the peoples, yeah, individual or society regarding this health issue or reproductive health and the hygiene and proper sanitation. Audio visual and television, radio, newspaper, a lot of advertisement. I had already told yesterday about this. In national TV there is a lots of advertisement regarding to the proper health, proper hygienes, and the proper meditation, proper medication, proper vaccination, proper child care, what is do after the delivery by women, and what necessary care provided to the child after just delivery. You have seen lot of advertisement on the national TV. One of ad I had seen on the national TV, which is the uh, uh, starting milk, starting 4 or 6 days milk provided by the mother, which is mother milk colostrum, we call it as a colostrum, which is provided to the child immediately because it provide immunity to the environment. It provide immune system and resistant to the environment for disease, foreign particles, etc. Because the colostrum milk contain the antibodies which is provided by mother to the child through the milk, which is provided by mother to the child through the milk. That is a antibody milk, milk, and it contain a passive immunity which is transfer from mother to the child, and it is generated by the antibody. That's why it is known as the passive immunity. Is it clear? So who has not seen advertisement like that, awareness type of advertisement? Today you have see, watch the channel, national channel, approximately 1.5 hour. You have seen all these advertisement regarding to the social hygiene, proper hygiene, mother care, child development, agriculture based. A lot of awareness advertisement are on this channel. Is it clear? And new thing which we do not know properly, like how population explosion stop. We don't know how population explosion stop. अगर हमें पहले ही पता होता, we already know about that, then our Indian population is not too large, is it? Like in the barrier cycle, that is proper hygiene maintenance and sanitation maintenance. Advertisement are also seen on the government channels, that is national channels. And barrier method or contraceptive methods are also seen on this advertisement, you know, contraceptive methods. That is the contraceptive. What is the contraceptive method? Anybody? What is the contraceptive method? Anybody know? What is the contraceptive method?
Basically, they are used to avoid unwanted pregnancies.
Only unwanted pregnancy? Contraceptive method only avoid the unwanted pregnancy? ओके है वैसे बेटा, अभी मैं डिटेल में डिस्कस करूंगी तब आपको पता लगेगा. देयर आर द मेथड थ्रू विच वी अवेयर आर सोसाइटी पीपल टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस. सेक्स एजुकेशन की नेसेसिटी क्या है? क्योंकि जो ड्यूरिंग दिस एज which is started from the 13 to 18 22, there is a age where the too much hormonal pressure and physically appearance exactly change in female, and physical appearance change in female as well as in the male due to their due to the environmental factor, body hormonal too much secretion and physical changes create a lot of pressure on the child mind. And there are a lot of thoughts in the child mind, how it happen, what is the hormonal change, what is why our physical appearances change so much, and something body changes take place which he or she can't handle according to their age. So in this case, child has a lot of curiosity about the sex education, how sexual relationship is stable, how is the sex performed, like that. Too many type of questions are in the child mind, and that's why it create a lot of pressure in the mind of girls and boys, is it? That's why sexual education is provided at the schools level to decrease the stress and body stress on the students and child's mind. That's why school to start the sex education. Now sex education is given to the 8th standard, bad touch and good touch, like that. Lots of school conduct the seminar on the good touch and bad touch for the girls above 5th standard to 12th standard, through which we guide the girls to how people see and what is the good touch and what is the bad touch by the people. That's why they properly understand which type of thing are bad things and which things are performed by the girls are good things. Is it clear? Why it provided the school level? Basically, very important value, because due to the lot of hormonal and physical changes, they carry a lot of question in the mind of child. All create the too much tension and stress and pressure the child mind. That's why sex education are given at the school level to remove this type of pressure, and create awareness in the child and proper knowledge of the reproductive health and reproductive precaution. What is the contraceptive method? All knowledge are provided at the level of 12th standard. Is it clear, everybody? Now, how we aware the people about the, oh sorry, next is sex education and the reproductive organ. We here discussed in detail about the education. Reproductive system we had already read in the chapter 3 detail. What is the adolescence? That is the period in which you are about after the puberty period and upper जो हमारा reproductive phase होता है young age, that is known as the adolescence period. यानी puberty after just start after puberty. Related to changes, what is the changes taken place during the puberty stage? Hygienic, how hygiene's condition are maintained. Sexual practices, how it is performed during the contraceptive method, and what is the necessity condition during the sexual practice, and sexual transmitted diseases. All are discussed in this chapter in detail. Now here one thing is arise, what is the birth control method? Why it is used birth control method? Anybody? What is the birth control method? हाँ जी बेटा जी. Birth control method, you have to already know about the contraceptive method. You have to cater people birth care, contraceptive easy available.